Alright guys, what's happening? Welcome to the Mac install for social Autobots. This is going to be a pretty quick video because it's a very easy install to do, but you need to follow these steps exactly. You'll see that this is very similar to the Windows install. There's not much different you have to do here. Actually, it's pretty much 99% the same. But what I'm going to do here is take you from scratch, show you how to install it, show you the key features that we need to activate to get this working in the next couple of minutes. So you'll be on this page here. It'll look something like this. I actually haven't finished designing it yet. These videos here obviously won't be the great song by Shaggy Angel. It'll actually be this video that I'm talking to you guys with right now. But all I want you to do is follow these steps here, watch what I do, and we'll get this installed for you right away. The first thing I want you guys to do though, you might have this already set up, but we're going to double check. We're going to hit the system preferences down the bottom here. We're going to hit security and privacy, and we're going to make some changes by hitting this little lock here. We're then going to want to allow our apps downloaded from anywhere. So we'll hit that, and then we're going to click out and it'll be fine. We can after we've installed this software, we can change it back if we want to, but for now we'll leave it as anywhere. Now what we're going to do is step one. Install Mono Framework for Mac. This is basically, once we click this link here, it'll take us to this page here, where we can then download the Mono Framework. This is what Social Autobots runs on. You may already have this installed on your Mac, but if you don't, just go ahead and download it here. Again, this is the same for Windows. You'll need to download the Mono Framework, and there's GTK hashtag add-on here as well. Don't worry about the names, just download them and then we'll install them. So we're going to hit download, we're going to hit keep. I've already downloaded it next to it here, so I'm just going to cancel that for now. I'm going to open up the Mono Framework here because I've already downloaded it. We're going to hit continue, unless you want to read all this stuff. I'm actually really bad with this. I never read it. I just trust what they're saying is going to be good, but it could potentially not be, but in this case we're fine. We're going to keep on hitting install. Make sure you have enough room to install it. Okay, just put my password in here. We'll let this write its files, and I'll be back to you guys in a minute once it's installed correctly. Alright guys, so now that we've installed the Mono Framework successfully, we're going to head back over to the members homepage here and go to step 2 in the install instructions. We're going to click this button here. It says click here for download in step 2, which is going to download the zip file for our Social Autobot software. Most Macs already have a tool that will then unzip these files, but in case yours doesn't, what I recommend using is zipeg.com, zipeg.com. Just download it here, and once that's downloaded you'll be able to unzip the file. But again, most Macs already have an unzip tool available, so you most likely won't need to do this. So you can see here I've downloaded the software already just to save time. What you're going to want to do now, and this is very important, we're going to get this software here, this zip file, we're going to drag it to the desktop, and make sure you put it on your desktop. It's very, very important. I know I've said that already, but it is very important to make this install work. We're then going to double click on this, which is then going to unzip the file, and it's going to give us our Social Autobot software here. And it's as simple as that. Now what we're going to do is open this. We're going to hit open here to ensure, just to say yes, it's safe. We do want to open this for the first time. It's going to open down here. And there we go. It's now given us the option here to put in our license information. Alright guys, so I just wanted to pause it then to make this a bit bigger so you can see exactly what we need to do here. We're going to put in our username. It can be any username you'd like to use. So for this example, I'll just put in Luke McGuire 9. Put in a password that you want. Transaction ID, you can either here, you can put in your transaction ID from PayPal, or again, you can just put something generic here. It doesn't really matter what you put in here for the time being. I'll put that there for this example. And then we want you to put the email you used to sign up with. So the email that you used to sign up with when you purchased Social Autobots. So I'll just put an example here. Then what you're going to do is hit activate. Alright guys, so as soon as you've hit the activate button, we move on to the final step here. What's going to happen is our licensing and support team, which is my support team of 15 people that are here to answer any questions, help you with whatever you need, and pretty much get you set up to ensure you know exactly what's going on with the software. Is going to actually go ahead and match the email address you enter here with the PayPal email that you've purchased Social Autobots with. We do this to ensure you get lifetime membership to this software because again, after launch week, it goes back to a monthly payment system to use Social Autobots. But because you purchased in launch week, we want to activate your account to ensure you get lifetime membership. And also to ensure hackers and scammers do not have any way to get this software and put it on any illegal sites or anything like that. So it's going to just be you that's going to get the lifetime membership, just to say thank you again for purchasing in launch week. So once you've done that, we're going to go ahead right away and activate your account for you. All you need to do here is then click out of Social Autobots. We're going to get you to come over here and join the private Facebook group. Come in and say hello. We're going to have a big support group in here. And then by this time, we should have activated your license by now. So what you'll need to do now is go ahead, restart your computer, and then you'll open up Social Autobots again. So I'll pause the video here. We'll come back in a minute and I'll show you what it's like the first time we open Social Autobots after it's been activated. So I'll see you guys in 1 second. Alright guys, so now you come to the point where you've requested your license to be approved. You come over and join the Facebook VIP group here. You've started talking to myself and the rest of the team members and the other members of Social Autobots in the Facebook group there. And you've now restarted your computer, which I hope you've done, because I know me personally, I can sometimes be a bit lazy and just install software and not restart it like I should be doing. But in this case, I know you've gone ahead and restarted it. And then you're going to come over here and we're going to open up Social Autobots to check that our account has now been activated. We're going to be activating these accounts very quickly. Again, we have a very big team doing this, so you shouldn't be waiting very long to have your account activated for life. You can see here, this one has now been activated, license validated. Please click the start button. And all we need to do here is click start, and we're inside of our Social Autobots now. We can now go ahead and add our accounts, our Facebook, our Instagram accounts, and we can start doing all the really cool things that this tool does. But from here, now that you've got it installed, what I want you to do now is go ahead and watch the training videos. I know training videos for some might be boring. It could be like a user manual which you never read, but I really want you guys to go over and see the best way to use this software to ensure you get the maximal results and to ensure you get everything done right the first time, so you can set and forget it. You can have leads coming in right away, and you can start converting these leads into customers pretty darn quickly. So go ahead, watch the videos of the training, see how to use this properly, and we'll get you some results happening right away. So again, any questions you have, drop me an email, message me in the private group there, add me to Facebook. Skype information is going to be on this page as well, and you'll see this is going to be a very supportive program for you guys here. So it's not just the software, it's a whole network of social marketers that are going to get you results, and we're going to make it happen for you literally starting today. So again, watch the training videos, and I'll speak to you soon.